Hi guys, here I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily delete all objects from a spreadsheet in Excel, and that includes images, shapes, charts, anything that essentially you have to go and individually select, like these stupid little flags that got in here when I copy pasted things from Wikipedia. So let's quickly go ahead and add a chart just to show you that, and some shape. Okay, yay. Now, it's actually very easy to do this. You want to go to what's called the selection pane, and there are two main ways to get there. From the Home tab, we can go all the way to the right, find and select, and click Selection Pane, and you get this little dude that should pop up. There we go. Or you can go to the Page Layout and Selection pane. You can also get there when you select these guys and go to their own little tabs that open. But anyway, once you get here, you have a list of all of those things. You can see the rectangle up here that we created the chart and all of these stupid little pictures that copy pasted in here. You can hide them all if you want to, but it doesn't remove them from the spreadsheet. Show them all. Or just select in here, hit Control A, and delete. Bye bye. It is that easy. Go to the selection pane on the Home or the Page Layout tab. Click in the selection window pane, hit Control A and delete. That is all there is to it. Now you can finish preparing your spreadsheet and making it look beautiful.